Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Quick middle of the day update. Very boring price action. We know that. So we're still tracking here potential 5-wave move down, highlighted in white. This is at least a potential lower degree Elliott wave count within our primary wave count, which is the white one. How this could play out. This is what I would go with unless ETH can break above 1869. Okay. Because if it can, or 1870, so if we can get a break above 1870, we are likely going to get a higher B wave, and not necessarily the yellow count. The yellow count would need to do a lot of work for me to make the yellow wave count the primary scenario. That is the wave count in which I would, after completion, be able to confirm that Ethereum has already formed a lasting low here in the support area. It's too early for that, okay? First of all, I think there are other more likely options, including a deeper pullback into our yellow trend reversal or support area. But it's going to get interesting. It's getting interesting because we're getting closer and closer to this Fibonacci level, the 50% Fib level at round about 1830, and the trend line, this ascending trend line that has been with the chart for a long time now. You can see that we had several touch points. So this could be another touch point in this correction, and then it might go. We will see. I mean, even if it breaks below the trend line, it still has space. Looking at our Fib levels, it could go all the way down to 1700 if it needs to in the current scenario. But first of all, I focus on lower. Yes, even in the white wave count, it could give us a corrective wave up. That would not be in any way a change of scenario. In fact, we are basically where we need it to be. It's just very boring. So there are two levels. 1818, below 1818, this direct path to the downside will gain massively in probability. A break above 1870 gives us two possibilities, either the yellow wave count, which would be bullish, directly bullish, or a higher B wave. It would not be this B wave, but would be a higher B wave, which again still would lead to another low. Okay, so for me, either way, the white wave count at the moment is the leading one. My approach is the following. I focus on lower. If I see price break above 1869, the high B wave will become my expectation. I will still be watching for relevant support to understand if we can get a higher wave 4. But primary expectation would be after a high B wave, still a breakdown in wave C. So I'm focused on lower still until I see clearer evidence that we have a lasting low in place. That's, I think, how to put it. Just haven't seen enough evidence to indicate that we have a low in place. This move here is just corrective to the upside, and therefore downside is still expected. This, however, to be honest, is corrective as well, and therefore I give it the possibility to make a higher B wave. Therefore, on this chart, the breakout point clearly identified at 1870. So there is not much more to add, really. Just one more thing here. If this really was a wave 1, this was a wave 2, then over the coming sessions, we should see quite a rapid sell-off below the 1818 level. Let's see. It's really difficult. Bigger picture is very clear. Bigger picture is very clear. Nothing has changed. It's just that obviously trying to decipher here the lowest degree wave count. I only do that to keep it sort of interesting while Ethereum is going in circles. Okay, so that's my update about ETH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.